Hey friends, if the next or previous arrows is missing in the Photos app on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. Now, one thing is that if you're opening one image only, let's say I open this image, then there will be no such arrow. It is only when I open multiple images, okay, that is when the arrow will appear. So we need to open multiple images for it. But if you are actually not seeing it despite opening multiple images, then search for the word photos in the Windows search bar. Click on the downward pointing arrow associated with it. Select app settings, and then you can scroll down, terminate the process, try to repair the app. Wait for a few seconds till you get a tick here. Once this is done, you can click on reset and then on reset once again. Okay, and once all of this has been figured out, you can finally uninstall the application. Okay, and it will need a few seconds to uninstall. Then search for the Microsoft Store and open the Microsoft Store, and then you can search for Photos app here. Okay, and then go to Microsoft Photos and then select install. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.